Good day, guys. Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing Lithium Auto Elixirs, Seal and Squeal. Okay, so like I mentioned, we are going to be reviewing Lithium Auto Elixirs, Seal and Squeal. That name is absolutely hilarious. I find it very, very funny. Their products, their names, they have some like funny warning things on the bottles. Really, really cool. So Lithium Auto Elixirs has sent me some of their products and we are reviewing them. Hopefully you have seen the first video of the luster lube and the foreclay. So it's on the old 91 Chevy Silverado that we're doing. I've already done a paint correction too. So we have clay barred it with the foreclay using the luster lube from Lithium Auto Elixirs as the lubricant for the clay. And then I went ahead and did a full paint correction on it. I have that finished now, and we are going to be sealing the paint with the Seal and Squeal. So I'm going to go over a few things on the bottle from the Lithium Auto Elixirs for their Seal and Squeal. It says that it's chock full of amino polymers, protects for up to 12 months, which is that's a large claim for a sealant, but sealants can do it. I have seen sealants do it before. So that is very interesting to me and I want to see it. So if you want to see how long it's lasting, drop in the comments below and let me know that you want to be updated with the longevity of this product as well. Nanotechnology squared, unmatched shine, unmatched protection. So the paint is already really, really shiny because I just got done doing a full paint correction on it. And so maybe we'll see that it makes it shine even more, and that's what I'm hoping for. Directions. Make sure the paint surface is clean and cool. Well, it is definitely cool. It's like low 40s outside right now and the sun is not shining, so the paint and the surface is cool. If the surface is not smooth, do your paint a favor and clay bar it first. This product lasts a long time and you do not want to lay it on a contaminated surface. Use an applicator or microfiber cloth to rub onto the surface in the same direction the wind would pass over your panel. So I find that very interesting. They're not saying to do a crosshatch pattern or anything. So you're going to rub it on the panels the way that the wind would blow over it while you're driving. I am going to be using a microfiber applicator to apply this, and I'm also going to apply it by machine. Allow sealer to remain on surface for several minutes until it has cured, then remove. So then it also says, yes, we know. What the hell kind of name is that? However, use it once and while you are biting your knuckles so you don't let out a man card losing screech. So hopefully we don't have to bite the knuckles too hard. I don't want to lose the man card on this one. Because your paint looks so good, you'll know exactly what we mean. Made by mashing molecules of active amino polymers with the very best sealants. Seal and Squeal offers protection, durability, and a level of luster which is unquailed anywhere by any product. So definitely very, very interesting. The reason why I said I'll also be using it with a machine is right here. It says Insane Polish, Insane Sealant Polish. I have asked Lithium Auto Elixirs and there is some abrasives in this, very, very fine. So this could be used as basically a final polish step while sealing your paint. So it is a polish and a sealant in one. Very, very cool. Absolutely love the bottles. These bottles remind me of barbecue sauce. I'm a fat kid. I love to eat. I love barbecue. So the bottles absolutely make me laugh. They're really, really cool. And the names are also amazing. So that's enough of me talking about it. We're going to head out. I'm going to show you the pickup. I'm going to apply it by hand on one panel. And then I'm going to apply it by machine on another panel. I'll cut it there. I'll get the rest of the pickup done. And I'll bring you guys in to see it. So let's see if this stuff makes it shine even more, and hopefully I don't let out that screech. So if you've been following along, this is where we are at now. This thing looks really, really sharp. The reflection is really good. This is original paint on a 1991 Chevy. They had a problem with clear coat. As we saw the hood before, I did just polish it. So you can see where the clear coat is missing. It's not as noticeable. It definitely looks a lot better. So the pickup looks so good. It looks amazing, and now it's time to lay down a nice protective layer for this paint so it can stay looking this good. So here we are on the front fender. With any product, you want to make sure you have it shook up really, really good. I've been shaking this for a little while, so I do know that it is. We're going to go ahead and remove the label on the lid here. So there is a seal inside, so I need to remove all of this. Once you have that seal removed, go ahead and open it up. You have another seal inside. And as products always like to do, they like to squirt out everywhere. Put the lid back on, and you can see I do have it on me here. And like I mentioned, I'm going to be using a microfiber applicator. So I'm going to be using that to put it on. I think it's going to go on very easily. I don't know how watery or runny this is. So it's kind of jello-like, as you can see there. So it is a bit thicker formula, and it's not just like water. I do like that. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to this front part so we can see if we can tell a difference. And then, as I said, to just apply this in the direction that the wind will pass over the panel. It goes on very easy. Not getting much of a scent out of it, which is not a deal breaker for me, because if it's not going to smell good, I really don't want to smell it at all. So that is literally all there is to applying it. We're going to let this set up. We're going to test it by wiping it with your finger to see if it's dry and cured. No, it is not right now, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. I'll cut back in when we're ready to take it off. So while we're waiting for that front fender to dry, I'm going to go ahead and do an application with a polisher. I just have a nice finishing black foam pad. This is actually a Griot's pad. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to put a few drops on here. The consistency of this stuff really cracks me up. It's, as you can see, it reminds me of like Jello jigglers or something. So that is probably way more than we need, but that's all right. I'm going to do half of this door. And I'm just going to do it in this direction that the wind would pass over the panel. So I'm only going to do half of it, and as you can tell, you can see where I have done it here. I'm curious, since it does have light abrasives in it, if it's going to kind of make that pop a little bit more, or if it does it also where you've done it by hand. Just kind of curious there, just to see the difference in applications. So here we are back on the front fender where we have applied it by hand. I'm going to do a finger swipe. As you can tell there, it is not smearing, so it is ready to come off. I just have a microfiber towel. I'm going to try to... Actually, I'm not going to hold the camera. I don't want to make you guys sick. So I'm going to set it on the tripod. I'm going to get it a bit closer so you can see it coming off of the panel, so we can see if it's hard to come off or not. So you can see the line here where it has been applied. I'm going to move the camera a bit because we want to get this whole front fender. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. That wipes off so easy. Wow, I like that a lot. Flip it over. You can feel the surface. It has made it slick. I'm not used to a paint sealant really making the surface super slick. It has. It's definitely a lot slicker, and let me grab a light, but I feel like there is a little bit of depth in it. So this is the front that we did. Here is the back. I do feel like there is some depth in it. Here's with a light. So yeah, there is definitely kind of a line right there, as you can see how the paint looks. As we come back, it gets kind of hazy. So it has done a really good job, and it has an awesome finish to it just by doing it by hand. That was super easy. Very impressed with how easy that was doing it by hand. Now let's get over to where we've done it with the machine and see how it wipes off over there. So this was the front part that we did by machine, and it is ready to come off. I love how easy this stuff comes off. It's like just like butter. Super, super easy. You can feel a difference in the surface. It is a lot slicker. And I would definitely say applying it by machine did kind of polish the surface a little bit more. So I'll bring you guys in closer. We'll look at it. So here's where we did it by machine. There is scratches and dents in the door. So there is some good depth in it. If I didn't just do a paint correction, I think that there would be a big difference. But it says it lasts for 12 months, so I wanted the paint as perfect as can be. And that's got, it looks really, really nice. I absolutely like that. I'm trying to bite my knuckles right now. I don't want to lose the man card, but there is a difference. So it's super easy to apply by machine, super easy to apply by hand, very easy removal. This is a really good sealant so far. I am really liking it. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the whole pickup, get it all buffed down. Hopefully we have enough sunlight left in the day. I'll bring you back out and we'll check it out when I have the seal and squeal all over the pickup. All right, I'm losing daylight. I've got the whole pickup done except for the driver's side of the roof. Look at this shine. Look at this depth. Absolutely amazing. And this stuff is so easy to use and knock off. I think this just takes a second just to be able to admire how great this looks. I can't get over the depth in the paint, the reflection, how slick it is. It just looks so good. Here standing back looking at the whole pickup. Night and day difference. Still got a few more things to do, a few more videos to come on it, but this thing looks so much better. And this seal and squeal, I can't get over it. I'm gonna have to stop it here before I let out that squeal. So real quick, let's see some hydrophobic properties on this front fender. So really, really nice water beading. Get you off of here so we can see it a little bit closer. So you can see the water beads. So very, very hydrophobic. And it has very nice tight beads. Very low surface tension. That's a rock chip. I'm just trying to show you these really, really nice tight beads. So really, really good, amazing hydrophobic properties as claimed. So it does sheet, as you could see there. So I'd say this is a bit more of a sheeting sealant, which I really like. Of course, we had the mist up top, that's why we have beading there and around the sides. But where we are hitting it right here, that panel is dry. So it does sheet. I do like that a lot. Let's just flood it out. That is so beautiful. That is a sheeting product right there. If you're looking for a nice sheeting sealant, this is definitely a product worth checking out 100%. So we got a bunch of beads here. Come over it, flood it out. As you can see, it just sheets the water away rather than beading up. You're not going to get those pesky water spots. The water's going to sheet off the surface really nice. This product is blowing me away. The more and more I mess around with it and use it, I am in love with it, and I can't say it enough. That right there was almost me letting out that screech and losing the man card. But honestly, guys, this product, so easy to use, amazing hydrophobic properties, really, really good. All right, so the Lithium Auto Elixirs Sealant Squeal. This product absolutely has me geeked out. It is so good. It's so easy to use. I am like right here, as you can see on that pickup. That's all it used. A little bit, I did find out, does go a long ways. Applying it by machine kind of finishes out that nice paint correction that I did on it, and it's very easy to do. Also, applying it by hand, extremely easy to do. This paint sealant, honestly, I'm not paid by Lithium. Lithium Auto Elixirs, yes, did send me their products to try. They said try them, review them if you want, see what you think of them. If you want to knock them or anything, they said that is totally fine. And I am not just saying this because they sent me these products. This product is the easiest paint sealant that I've ever removed. It comes off super, super easy. I cannot say that enough. This product, definitely a 2 thumbs up product. Absolutely amazing product. I really, really like it. The only thing I'm curious about is the longevity of it, because it is claimed protects for up to 12 months. So I'm curious to see how long the protection is. I'm also kind of curious maybe about doing a torture test with this. If you guys want to see this in a torture test, let me know, because I want to know the longevity, how long this stuff's going to last. Yes, I know that's using chemicals, not real world, but it will give us a good baseline and idea of how strong it is. So once again, super easy to use, amazing to apply by hand or by machine, comes off like no other paint sealant I've ever used before. Definitely a 2 thumbs up product, 2 huge thumbs up. I'd give it more than that if I could. Really do like it a lot. I would strongly recommend this product if you're in the market for a paint sealant, or you're looking for something with water sheeting characteristics and not water beading to fight those water spots and dirt spots that you get. As you saw, it sheets extremely well. Very, very hydrophobic properties with it. Just an all-around great product. But I want to thank you guys so much for stopping in. Remember to hit the like button if you like this video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Curious to hear your thoughts and opinions on it. I really, really like it a lot personally, as I've been saying, and you already know. But thank you so much for stopping and checking out this video, and I will catch you on the next one. And until then, take care.